I want to show you guys a really neat system to replace your garbage recessed light fixtures. We purchased this house 2 years ago, and it was built in 2009. And I swear that those guys, the contractors, used the cheapest materials on earth, and the lighting was one of them. So I went around and replaced all the light fixtures, recessed fixtures. I had to put in overhead lighting actually in the bedrooms. It didn't have it. It was hooked up to a plug. This one is, these are really handy and real simple to do. It's a 6-inch. It replaces your recessed light, and it's, I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to do one on the exterior porch. Come on, Marshall. So the light bulb burnt out on the front porch, recessed light, 6-inch, and this was the garbage that was up on it. And then there was a black widow, so I wasn't going to put my hand in there. So this will prevent that from ever happening because it's a sealed application. So let's take you over there and take a look. That is what I'm looking at. Those things are just garbage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the housing, push it up out of the way, hook up that LED fixture, and bolt it in. So I'll show you guys how that goes. Alright, so first I'm going to blow this thing out with my leaf blower, clean it out. Now I will remove that stupid thing. Let me cheat a little. Use my drill. I'm going to push this up and through. Okay. Since this is stucco and not drywall, I'm going to have to chip this out just a little bit to get that 6-inch clear. Right back. That should clear. I wanted to show you guys, if you had the regular screw-in recessed cans where you change light bulbs out to screw-in, then I want to show you the kit that you need for replacing it with LEDs. The one I had was the fluorescent tube that was, you saw the push pin, and this is what you guys want with a regular screw-in. Doesn't necessarily have to be the halo or anything like that, but you just have to take your bulb out, screw that in, plug it in, and push it up. It's super easy and fast. You could change out all your lighting to LEDs. It takes, with a screw-in type interior, it takes I would say 10 minutes each, 15, and 5 of that is getting your ladder out. So make sure your light switch is off and have fun with that one. Okay, now that we have all of our wires exposed here, I'm going to feed it through this junction box, like so. And myself a little bit of room to work with. Get the black wires. 1, 2, push them in. Out of the way. Get a white wire. Push it in all the way. 2, ground. No, just kidding. All right. Smash them in there. Like yo. And shut this dude. Now, I'm not real concerned about installing a fitting here to protect the wires, because I have one up in the existing that will protect the wires from fraying. So let's get our fixture. We're gonna plug this in like yo. Tighten it. And now I want to show you guys what the differences are in the lumens. It's brightest right there. It's a very cold, bright white. Down, it's more of a cool white. As it gets into a softer white. I actually like the softer white. I'm going to change the other one to softer white. That dude's installed. Very cool. Okay, so that was it. It took a whole less than 10 minutes to install that. Like I said, your power's off. You're not gonna get shocked. Just do it. I didn't have to use any special tools. You saw what I did. It's super easy to do. So good luck, and I'll be putting out some more. Thanks. Bye.